For more than 3 decades, European rockets have taken off from a rainforest in South America. Among the space vehicles launched from here is the Ariane 5, the European rocket with the greatest thrust. The launch pad is located near Kourou, French Guiana. It's just 500 kilometers from the equator. It's an ideal place to start a trip into space. Every rocket gets a bit of boost here from the Earth's own spin, because at the equator, the planet's surface is farther from its axis than anywhere else. That means rockets need less fuel to carry their payloads into orbit. The Ariane can carry up to 2 large satellites into high orbit. That's about 10 tons of freight, but many of its cargoes are much lighter. That's why smaller rockets will also soon be taking off from Kourou. In the future, the European Space Agency wants to continue playing a leading role worldwide in the area of satellite transport. This is the main propulsion stage of the Vega rocket. It's filled with solid fuel and provides the massive thrust necessary for launch. Like Ariane, the 30-meter-tall Vega was also developed in Europe. Vega is designed to lift lighter satellites into lower orbits. For example, those for observing the Earth or space research. It's a lucrative market. As part of a cooperative program between the Russians and Europeans, mid-sized payloads are to be carried into space in the future aboard Russian Soyuz rockets. The Soyuz has a reputation as an inexpensive and reliable launch system. The most recent Soyuz launch was in October. The rocket carried a valuable cargo, 2 satellites for the European Global Navigation System Galileo. Kourou is also expected to gain in significance for the International Space Station now that the U.S. Space Shuttle fleet has been retired. The European spacecraft, the ATV, is a possible alternative. It can also be launched aboard an Ariane 5 rocket. Engineers are still working on designing the ATV for re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. What the spacecraft needs most is a heat shield to keep it from burning up on re-entry. Experts say they want to have a prototype ready in 4 years. Ceramic tiles fitted with sensors and electronics have already been successfully tested on a space capsule. Bringing the craft back to Earth safely would also be another step towards a long-held dream, a European vehicle for manned spaceflight. Its system components have been designed with transporting humans in mind.